53 power 11111 divided by 51. 51 is 3 into 17. 3 into 17. So positive remainder, it will be 2 and it will be 9. A number when divided by 3, it gives a remainder 2. A number when divided by 17, it gives a remainder 1. So 3a equivalent to 17b plus 7. 3a equivalent to 15b plus 6 plus 2 into b plus 1. 2 into b plus 1. This is divisible by 3. This is divisible by 3. This is divisible by 3. This should be divisible by 3. b plus 1 is 3. b minimum value is 2. Sorry. 3a plus b. I think it is 2b plus 1. I wrote a mistake here. It is 2b plus 1. I wrote it as 2b plus 2. 2b plus 1. Divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. 2b plus 1 should be divisible by 3. So b minimum is 1. Anand, for you, if b minimum is 1, the value will become 17 plus 9, 26. That means this number is, lowest number is 26 and it is divisible by 3 and 17. Divided by 51. This will get cancelled and it will give an answer 26. And it will give an answer 26. I hope the idea is clear. Anand, why we are taking 3a plus 2, 17b plus 9? I hope it is clear. 51 is 3 into 17. 53 divided by 3. 3 18s are 54 minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Positive remainder is 2. 17 we got 9. One is when divided by 3 remainder 2. Another is when divided by 17 remainder 9. So 3a equivalent to 17b plus 7. 3a equivalent to 15b plus 6 plus 2b plus 1. So what it will become? This is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. Remaining is 2b plus 1. 2b plus 1 should be divisible by 3. b minimum should be 1. If b minimum is 1, then the value will become 17 plus 9, 26. 17 plus 9, 26. All the time it is divisible by 3 and 17. So plus LCM of 3 and 17. These both is getting divided. Therefore the answer is 26. That's exactly the reason. Here only we are checking by using answer options. Here only we are checking by using answer option. When divided by 3, positive remainder 2. When divided by 17, positive remainder 9. Here only we are checking. I hope it is clear. Still we will do some more examples so that it will be absolute clarity to you. Absolute clarity to you. I hope this concept is clear. Second one. Second one. See the question. 13 power 400 divided by 187. 187 is a composite number. It has to be written as a product of coprimes. 11 into 17. So this will become 13 power 400 divided by 11. Divided by 11. 11 means power has to be 10 according to Fermat's theorem. 13 power 10. Power 40 divided by 11. This is 1. 1 power any number 1. 1 power any number 1. Next is 13 power 400 divided by 17. 17 means according to Fermat's theorem, power should be 16. 13 power 16, power 25 divided by 17. Again it is 1. Are you with me? So answer when divided by 11, it gives a remainder 1. Answer when divided by 17, it gives a remainder 1. This is cancelled. Answer is 11a equivalent to 17b. Either a is 0 or b is 0. 0 plus 1, 1. So this is nothing but 1 plus LCM of 11 and 17 into k divided by 187. This will get cancelled. Answer is 1. Second problem, I hope it is clear. 13 power 400 divided by 11. 11 means power should be 10. 13 power 10 power 40. 13 power 10 divided by 11. It is 1. 1 power any number is 1. 13 power 400 divided by 17. 17 means power is 16. 13 power 16 by 17, it is 1. 11a plus 1 equivalent to 17b plus 1. 1 cancelled. Either a0 or b0. Answer is 1. Here itself you can check by using answer option. Answer when divided by 11, it should give remainder 1. Answer when divided by 17, it should give remainder 1. I hope it is clear. Only one answer option is matching. Two answer options are matching. When answer options are not given. All the three methods, I hope it is clear. Now, third question, fourth question, practice question. One by one we will go. Third one, reminder when 3 power 101 is divided by 77. 77 is 7 into 11. Composite number should be written as a product of coprimes. So when divided by 7, this will become 3 power 101 when divided by 7. 7 means power should be 6. 6 16s are 96 into 3 power 5 when divided by 7. 3 power 6 by 7, it is 1. 243 by 3. 7 3s are 21, 33. 7 4s are 28. Positive remainder is 5. Positive remainder is 5. You can use by using negative remainder, answer does not change. This is 3 power 101 when divided by 11. 11 means power should be 10. 3 power 10. Power 10 into 3 power 1 when divided by 11. This is 1. Again a remainder 3. Again a remainder 3. Don't solve the equation. If answer options are given, check which answer option. When divided by 7, I get remainder 3. When divided by 11, I will get a remainder 11. Remainder is 3. When 7, remainder is 5. When divided by 7, remainder is 5. When divided by 11, remainder is 3. 7a equivalent to 11b minus 2. 7a equivalent to 7b plus 4b minus 2. These is divisible by 7, divisible by 7. 4b minus 2 is divisible by 7. 4b minus 2 is an even number. So 4b minus 2 should be 14. So b minimum value is 4. B minimum value is 4. 11 4s are 44 plus 3, 47. Third one answer is 47. Third one answer is 47. I hope this idea is clear to you. I hope this idea is clear to you. I will take up your doubts after I solve fourth problem. Third problem, I hope the idea is clear. If the denominator is a composite number, write the number as a product of coprimes. 77 is 7 into 11. 3 power 101 by 1 by 7 you do. 3 power 101 by 11 you do. 3 power 101 divided by 7 I got remainder 5. 3 power 101 divided by 11 I got remainder 3. Next one, fourth question. Fourth one. Remainder when 128 power 100 divided by 153. Divided by 153. 153 is a composite number. So it is 17 into 9. Do with 17 and do with 9. Remainder when 128 power 100 divided by 17. 17 sevens are 119. Remainder is 9. Remainder is 9. 17 means power will be 16. 16 6 are 96. Remainder is power is 4. Directly I am writing. Divided by 17. These are nothing but 9 square whole square divided by 17. 81 divided by 17. 17 5s are 85. Minus 4. Minus 4 whole square is 16. Minus 4 whole square is 16. That means when divided by 17, remainder will be 16. Next case, when divided by 9. 128 power 100 divided by 9. 9 14s are 126. It is 2. 2 power 100 divided by 9. Already we discussed in Euler's theorem, quotient function is 6. 6 16s are 96. These are nothing but 2 power 4 by 9. 16 by 9. Remainder is 7. So the next case, which is 9b plus 7. So 9b equivalent to 17a plus 9. Divisible by 9, divisible by 9. A value is 0. 0 into anything plus 16. It is 16.